Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can show FPS in every game. We have the GPU or CPU usage if you want to also add that. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to download MSI Afterburner on your computer. It's really simple. Search for MSI Afterburner on Google, and then you want to simply select download and install the version that you want. Right after, you then want to open up the application, and basically from here you then want to click on the gear icon, which is going to be the settings for the MSI Afterburner, and this is what we need in order to go ahead and show our everything like GPU, FPS, and more. Click on the on-screen display. From here, you then want to set your toggle on-screen display. In my case, it's going to be control 0. You can set it the way you want to. And right after that, you then want to head over to monitoring. Now, inside the monitoring option, once again, or you also want to make sure that the Riva static server is installed. Now, after clicking on the gear icon right here, it will automatically install the application, but if not, you can just go ahead and search for the Riva Tuner installer, which is going to be this one from the Guru 3V website. Basically from here, all you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that the show on-screen display is checked. In my case, I have my GPU temperature, GPU usage, I have my memory usage, I have my power, and we also have things like temperature, usage, CPU power, frame rate, and more. We have frame time, so you can just simply select the statistics that you want to show on your computer or games. So from there, just open up your game. In my case, it's going to be Minecraft using this amazing shader right here, and then you want to press your toggle button. Once again, in my case, it's going to be control 0. And so as you can see on the top left corner of my screen, I have my GPU, memory, and CPU. I also have my FPS right there. Now, if you want to customize it even further, you want to head back to your on-screen display, click on more, and from here you will be able to set something like the on-screen display zoom, your statistics, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.